What could it be?
What was that?
I don't know.
There it is again.
And again. What is that noise? Felipe, that noise, it's coming from your tummy.
His tummy? It is Felipe's tummy.
But why is your tummy making that noise, Felipe?